Package a day, keep the doctors away. Fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la. Do 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 do. Ooh, this is from Cleer. Yeah. Do 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 do. Oh, another product called ARC. Let's start with the most interesting part about this earvote. It is an open ear headphones. So it uses a hook instead of having the earbuds poking inside your ear. So this way, the earbuds are actually sitting on the ear canal instead of inside the ear canal, channeling the audio directly into the ear, looking exactly just like this. While not so great for pure listening experience, this on-the-ear configuration is actually a very good safety measure, especially when you're jogging, walking around, taking the bus, exercising. You will be able to hear the surrounding sound. But what do I know, right? So if you don't believe me, well, it won the German Red Dot Award and also won the Contemporary Good Design Award. So not only me saying that it's a good design, it also comes with Bluetooth 5.0 to bring a more stable connection. So there's no dropout while you're listening to your music. Battery life, yeah, it's pretty good. It's about 6 to 7 hours. I can eke it out all the way to about 8 hours with medium volume level. And obviously, the lower the volume, the better the battery life is going to be. Most importantly, however, you need to download the Cleer Plus app so you can customize the EQ and download the latest firmware if you need to. Oh, one more thing. If you're really out of battery, in 10 minutes, you can play up to 1 hour of music. Yeah, the sound quality is not the best, but this is about functionality rather than just purely sound quality play. So if you find this video to be useful, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the bell notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.